roast the nuts at 190 centigrade for about 10 minutes. This will help release the oils from the nuts. Then leave to one side to cool completely. Add the grated nuts to a food processor and start to blend. It will take about 10 minutes and you'll think it's never going to happen. But get it going for now. Keep pushing the nuts down the side of the food processor. They will look like breadcrumbs at this stage for quite a long time. You'll want to give up and add oil, but don't. Trust me, this will work. Just keep blending. Just as you think you're going to give up, the magic happens, and look at this, smooth, creamy and delicious. Now, I do like to add a little bit of seasoning and a little bit of salt, but you don't have to, or you could add some cinnamon or anything you fancy. Add your almond butter to sterilised jars and you can keep this in the fridge. Now do beware, it is calorific, so be wary. But look at that, how yum. If I had my way, I'd gobble this all up, but best not to. Happily, it freezes really well, so put it in some little Tupperware containers and store in the freezer.